Hello everyone, today we're at a hot spring amusement park located 30 minutes outside of Tokyo. Now the name of this place is Oedo Onsen in Urayasu. Now there are many Oedo Onsens, so make sure you go to the right one. This one is Urayasu, just remember that. Okay, now let's go on to the hot spring tour.
Alright, I will introduce you how to get to the hot springs in Urayasu first. Urayasu station is on the Tozai line, which is a blue line. It will take about 30 minutes from Tokyo station by train. When you arrive at Urayasu station, there is a free shuttle bus to the Oedo Onsen. Shuttle bus is around every 30 minutes. Okay, let's go inside. Wow, they are using a warm light color inside, so I feel very relaxing already. Before entering into the area, you have to take off your shoes. You can put your shoes in the locker for 100 yen and store them safely. You will get your 100 yen back after taking your shoes back out. The entrance fee is 2,200 yen during the weekend, which includes a free towel, indoor clothes, and locker key for rent. Just a heads up, unfortunately, people who have tattoos are not allowed to enter the facility. Now, let's go to the inside the hot springs area. We can change into a swimsuit at the locker room with the keys they gave you.
So this is a map of the theme park, the hot spring theme parks. As you can see, there are so many different hot springs. One here, 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 here. And this is just the inside, and then there's the outside. Here, here, here. There's just so many different hot springs.
You can take a photo or video outside, but not in the indoor hot springs because everybody is naked. Okay, let's go check it out. This hot spring is the first hot spring right outside of the entrance called Otaki. Otaki means big waterfall in Japanese. It feels like we are becoming one with nature and feel like we are outside in the wilderness. After the cave, there is another hot spring called Chikurin no Yu, which is a bamboo grove hot spring. You can even hear the birds chirping.
So we're about to enter the cave.
This is a man-made cave called Ao no Dokutsu, which means blue cave.
That feels good. There's even jets behind the wall, right here. You can't really see it, but it's there.
Alright, let's go to the another hot spring area. This hot spring is called Gensen no Yu, which is a carbonated pool. The hot water here is dissolved in carbon dioxide and many bubbles stick to the skin. These bubbles are absorbed into the body and have the effect of removing your fatigue. Look at all the bubbles on my arm.
So when I was a kid, I always wanted to swim in a pool full of Coke. This is getting close to that.
Wow, look at this view. Autumn is a good season to go to the hot springs. This hot spring is very hot compared to the other hot springs, but the water has a lot of natural materials that make your skin beautiful.
It's so hot.
Yeah, that's the right reaction. The temperature is about 42 Celsius or 104 Fahrenheit. Of course, I think you know, hot spring has many benefits for your body, but you can't drink the hot spring water. There are many other fun places like a photo shoot spot, kids space, footpath area, and this is a unique dome called Goldfish Tank. And there is a hot spring inside. After taking the bath, we can change to their indoor clothes that feel very relaxing. And I want to show you how convenient the locker key they provide is. As you can see, you can buy anything just by scanning this barcode of the key, such as drinks, ice cream, restaurant food, and many more. So you don't need to bring your wallet, you can just leave everything in the locker. Every food in here also tasted amazing. On top of that, there are many accommodations such as massage service. In the relaxing room, you can eat and relax on the Japanese style room. And this is not all. There is manga space where you can read any manga books there. It looks like we are in manga library. Finally, speaking of Japan, game centers are also popular. There is a crane game featuring popular anime characters and taiko drum master. Alright, this is the end of the video.
Alright, if you like this video, please like and subscribe to this video. And you'll see us at the next time at another Japanese location.
See you!
See ya!